So in today's video, we've got these Moroccan spiced potatoes with garlic, onion and olive oil. You're gonna love this dish. One more. So, best thing about the blanching the potatoes, which is what I'm gonna be doing in a minute, is to get as much flavour into the potatoes. So cut them all up, irregular shape, approximately the same size. So potatoes are ready and I'm just going to blanch them in some water. So potatoes, cover with water, bring it to a boil, drain it. So next I'm going to fry off my onions and garlic in a little bit of butter until it's golden brown. Take about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so the onions and garlic are quite caramelised. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go in there with our spices. So we're going to go in there with paprika, Moroccan spice, and some tomato puree. No point to stir that yet because we're going to go in there with our potatoes that we've blanched in hot water. Drain them well. And the heat in the potatoes, stir through those spices. Before we put them in the oven, I'm just going to top them off with a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. Lovely. And now it's a preheated oven. The preheated oven at 180, and we're going to go 35 minutes in the oven at 180. So after 35 minutes, they're cooked. Lovely golden brown. So that is the Moroccan spiced potatoes with garlic, onion and olive oil.